The Pillars of Creation, a popular image of the Eagle Nebula, have long been one of the most recognizable sights seen by the Hubble Space Telescope. It is a region where enormous columns of gas and dust create a perfect breeding ground for new stars. But the processes of creation occurring within those pillars were not visible to the telescope, which primarily detects visible light. However, the initial infrared image from the Webb telescope of the Pillars of Creation reveals thousands of never-before-seen protostars. What else did Bill Nye find out about them? Join us today as we take a peek at some incredible findings from the Webb telescope and what they mean for our understanding of the universe. Are you ready to join Bill Nye on this journey of discovery? Before we dive into the unknown, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We want you to be among the first to learn about the universe's latest revelations and all its mysteries. So sit tight and get ready for an extraordinary adventure. It all started with a tweet from NASA. On July 12, 2022, they posted a video showing the Pillars of Creation in the Eagle Nebula, a favorite target for astrophotographers. The video is spectacular, but it is nothing compared to what comes next. NASA released a set of breathtakingly beautiful infrared photographs taken by the Webb telescope on July 11, 2022. The Pillars of Creation in the Eagle Nebula are depicted in this Webb image. A small area of a star-forming region was selected by senior project scientist John Mather and his colleagues because it is such a popular target. The Pillars of Creation are among the most photographed deep space objects ever observed by Hubble. What's so amazing about the Webb photograph of this famous site is the clarity of the stars, even those in the foreground. Infrared light is used by the telescope to capture details on things that are exceedingly dim. In the middle of the image, the towers of dust and gas reach 1.5 light-years into the sky. Thousands of stars are born in the dense core of the nebula. Because there is so much dust, this process cannot be seen with the naked eye. These stars are hidden from view. The hottest stars, however, are visible in this image because they emit infrared light that the telescope can detect. As the cosmic dust is blown away by the stellar winds from the stars, we can see inside the nebula. Through the expanding bubble of gas, starlight penetrates the dust and creates new stars within it. Stars of varying sizes and temperatures emit radiation at various wavelengths, including those that humans can see and those that we cannot. These stars produce the Pillars of Creation. In reality, these are just the tips of towering cones that stretch up into space for more than 10 light-years. The intense energy released by the stars within the pillars blows a hole in the surrounding dust cloud. Wind and hot ionized gas streaming from the stars generates the shape of the pillars. The Pillars of Creation are one of the most well-known areas of the Milky Way. They are located 6,500 light-years away from Earth in the constellation of Serpens, a collection of gas and dust clouds where new stars are born. Bill Nye, a prominent figure in science, recently discussed the most recent pictures from the James Webb Space Telescope, which provide us with a view into the cosmos more than 13 billion years ago, fundamentally altering our knowledge of the cosmos and our place in it. It is a revolutionary scientific breakthrough and a worthy successor to the Hubble Space Telescope. The most recent images of the Pillars of Creation have been compared to those taken by the Hubble Space Telescope. The images taken by the Hubble Space Telescope show the Pillars of Creation in visible light, whereas the images taken by the James Webb Space Telescope show them in infrared light. This allows us to see the difference between the two telescopes. The Pillars of Creation are huge structures of gas and dust in space where new stars are created. It is impossible to see them with the naked eye. They are around 6,500 light-years away from Earth. The Pillars of Creation are also home to a large number of stars. Many of these stars are hot and luminous, emitting a lot of infrared light. This infrared light can travel through the dust and gas of the Pillars of Creation, allowing us to see what's inside. The James Webb Space Telescope is specially designed to detect infrared light, making it ideal for studying the Pillars of Creation. The telescope's mirrors focus the infrared light onto sensors, which record the light and convert it into an image. The resulting images are incredibly detailed, revealing structures within the pillars of creation that have never been seen before. The images show young stars forming in the gas and dust of the pillars of creation. These stars are very hot and emit a lot of infrared light, allowing us to see them through the dust and gas. The images also reveal the complex structures of gas and dust within the pillars of creation. The gas and dust are arranged in a variety of shapes and sizes, from small clumps to large, billowing structures. These structures are the building blocks of new stars and planets. The James Webb Space Telescope. These images of the pillars of creation are a remarkable achievement of science and technology. They have provided us with a unique window into the inner workings of this fascinating phenomenon, and have revealed the complexity and beauty of the universe we live in. In addition to the pillars of creation, the James Webb Space Telescope has captured a plethora of colorful, never-before-seen galaxies. Take a look at this one. What's going on here? Does it look familiar? Do you see a face peering down at us from above? According to Bill Nye, the 3 yellow dots form the eyes of a wide-eyed monster, while the reddish oval below his mouth is his tongue hanging out. This strange-looking creature is actually a spiral galaxy. How does the face of a monster form naturally in space? This galaxy appears to be gazing down at us because it is receding from us, and we are seeing the back of it. The process by which stars form and evolve is essentially the same everywhere in the universe. However, if we could fly straight up into outer space, we would see a universe full of swirling pinwheels rather than just this one. Galaxies are spinning disks of stars, gas, and dust held together by gravity. Most galaxies in the universe have a symmetrical shape like this. The Stephan's Quintet is a group of 5 galaxies that orbit one another in a complicated gravitational dance. They are located approximately 290 million light-years from Earth in the constellation of Pegasus. They are all bound together by gravity and will remain a quintet for billions of years. A binary pair and a loose pair make up the quintet. While galaxies NGC 7320 and IC 5269 form a tight pair, galaxies NGC 7332 and NGC 7344 form a looser pair. The 5th member of the group, NGC 7345, is only loosely associated with the rest, despite the fact that 4 of the 5 galaxies in Stephan's quintet are locked in a tight embrace, constantly circling each other. The 5th galaxy, NGC 7345, is merely passing through the area. A galaxy as a whole moves at a constant speed. At any moment, depending on your viewpoint, you can see either the front, the back, or the sides. Due to the random motions of the galaxies within the quintet, we are currently viewing the front of the galaxies. As a result of the motion of galaxies within the quintet, random motions, we are currently viewing the front of the galaxies. The term random refers to the fact that the galaxy's motions are not synchronized. Each galaxy's rotation is random. As a result, each galaxy has a different velocity and direction. We hope you enjoyed learning about the James Webb Space Telescope's discoveries alongside Bill Nye. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting space videos. Your support means the world to us, and we can't wait to bring you more amazing content. Until next time, keep looking up and stay curious. The universe has so much more to teach us. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through the cosmos. We hope you learned something new and exciting about the universe and its wonders. If you did, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button to let us know you approve. And if you haven't already, go ahead and click that subscribe button. That way, you won't miss out on any of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.